Hey kindergarten! So we have a new picture this week. We are obviously going to be making a little caterpillar. So now that it's springtime, you might be noticing little caterpillars, and we're going to preview what we're going to be making next week. And let's see if you guys can figure it out. Caterpillars turn into what? Yep, butterflies. So next week we will be working on a butterfly. So this week with our caterpillar, we're going to be working with our rainbow order. And you guys remember, we've learned about our rainbow order. We always start with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, which we also call purple. So take a second. I'm going to show you the next slide just to remind you too about rainbow order. All right, so now you got that slide. What we're also going to be working with is overlapping. So we have our one circle here that's at the front, and this is our caterpillar's head, and we can see the whole circle. And this circle is overlapping the orange one. That means it's on top. We can't see that part of the orange circle because the red one is overlapping. And then this orange circle is overlapping the yellow, and then the yellow is overlapping the green, and so on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that with your circles. So let's go ahead and get started. So I know a lot of you don't have circle stencils like I usually would give you guys to use in school. So maybe you could find something around your house that's not very big. I found a glue stick. So I am going to use the bottom of the glue stick as my circle tracer. If you can find something around your house that you can use that your parents say it's okay, go ahead and grab it. If not, just try your best to do the circle. You can still do it. All right. So I'm going to try my best to do this with a marker. I'm going to go around, and I apologize if I have a couple little marks here and there. So there's my circle, and it's a little bumpy because of the glue stick. Now, when I go to the next circle, I can do it down or I can do it up because I kind of want my caterpillar to look like it goes a little curved. I'm going to make sure it covers the first circle a little bit. And this is what I want you guys to notice. I'm going to start right where that circle is, and I'm going to go around, and as soon as I get to that next circle, I stop. So watch what I did. I started here. I went around the glue stick, and when I got right here, I stopped. So even while you guys trace this, if you want to say that to yourself, go and stop, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and trace these circles. We need to make how many circles if we are making our rainbow? 7. 1 for each color in the rainbow. So you can see, whoops, I am tracing my circles, and they're kind of going up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you run out of space, that's okay. You could erase it, try again, or just squeeze it in. Okay, so here I have my caterpillar. Now, I had my caterpillar walking in the grass with some flowers. This time, I'm going to go ahead and draw a caterpillar that is walking on a little tree branch. So I'm just going to start over here, make a tiny little branch that's sticking up. I'm going to keep going down, and it does not have to be a perfectly straight line. So that is the top of my tree branch. Now I can come down here and make this line going all the way to the end, and I have the bottom of my tree branch. But we also need to add a little bit of a line inside of our branch for some texture to make it look like it's rough and bumpy. So I'm just going to go ahead and make these little wiggles. They don't have to be perfectly straight. You want them to be a little wiggled because remember, we're trying to make it look like it's rough and scratchy. All right, so now our caterpillar needs some little legs. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, you can also add little antennas, little eyes. You can make a silly face, cute little smile, any kind that you would like to do. All right, so since mine is sitting on a branch, this top part up here is going to be sky, but don't forget down here is also sky. Our caterpillar is on the branch, and if he was way up high in a tree, you wouldn't really be able to see the grass right underneath here. So just make sure when you guys color, you color the top blue for the sky, and you also color underneath the branch blue for the rest of the sky. You can add whatever else you would like in your picture. If you want to draw other bugs flying around, a sun, clouds. If you want to go back and do your picture with grass, you just simply make a little wiggle for your grass. You could add flowers, anything else in your picture. I'm really leaving this up to you guys, all right? So when you go ahead and color, and I'll quickly cut over to the slide, just so you can remember about the rainbow, let me pause it here. All right, don't forget though, we're trying our best to color it as a reminder for rainbow order. If you make a mistake, it's okay, but see if you can do it. If you don't have indigo, this is what I did. I don't have indigo in my box of crayons at home right now. So what I did was I found a lighter blue, and then I tried to find a darker blue to represent my indigo. And then I found any kind of purple. So go ahead and get your picture drawn. You can trace it if you want with a black marker, but you don't have to, and then get it colored. When you guys are all done, please don't forget to post your picture into the Google Classroom with your assignment so that I can check it out. And if you're still having trouble posting it there, remember you can always send me an email with the artwork in the email. I really would like to be able to grade you guys, and also I'm getting really excited to be able to check out these pictures when you guys finish them. So that's it for this week. I will see you guys next week with another new picture, and I hope you guys have fun and take care.